Our bodies are all different. Different leg shape can totally change how your body look in your jeans. Hi, my name's Chi. Today, let's look at what type of jeans are best for your body shape. Starting from the skinnies. I feel like this is the most controversial leg shape. There's only two types of women. You either love skinnies or you just hate them. There's nothing in between. I love it, wear it all the time. Whether or not skinnies work for your body shape, you just need to ask yourself one question. Do you want your legs to look exactly the way they are? Because that's what skinnies do. They are unfiltered. If you're in an hourglass shape, the skinnies are gonna show all the ins and outs of your curves. If you have the pear-shaped body, your hips and thighs are thicker. When you wear skinny jeans, they are gonna be more noticeable. Okay, I think it's totally personal preference how you want to look. If you have the pear-shaped body but you want to show off those curves, celebrities do it all the time. Jennifer Lopez, Kim Kardashian, skinnies are their signature. On the other hand, if your goal is to look more balanced, then go for a different leg shape. Inverted triangle shape is the opposite of the pear shape. So when you wear skinnies, they can make it look more obvious that you have narrow hips, especially in relation to your broad shoulders. The rectangle body shape, you are born with long and lean legs, as well as the apple body shape. And yes, I'm also an apple shape. You never gain weight on your legs. Skinnies are pretty good to bring attention to your assets. Okay, here's a pro tip. If you want to elongate your legs, the magic starts to happen when you match the color of your shoes with your jeans. If you want to know how to make your legs look longer in any of this leg shape, stick to the second part of this video. If you have the hourglass body shape or the pear shape, you have a very big difference in the measurements of waist and hips. Common problem with your jeans is a gapping in the waist. If the jeans fit your waist, too small for your hips. If they fit your hips, they're gonna be too loose for your waist. A solution for your problem? This is a jeans that has a hidden elastic waistband at the back. And this allows you to accommodate a wider hips. It's not loose on your waist. Another solution is to look for brands that carry the curvy line, like Madewell, American Eagle, and these are cut more narrow in the waist and wider in the hips. Here comes the one that gets along with everybody. This is more forgiving. No matter what body type you have, you can look pretty good. Especially if you are a curvy girl, when you wear straight leg jeans, it has just the right amount of volume to balance out your curves. This is my personal favorite, the flare leg jeans. I didn't always love them. At first I was wearing this with sneakers. I didn't think they were flattering. They made my legs look even shorter because of that volume in the leg shape, and they were bunching up on my sneakers. It was not a flattering look. Once I switched to heels, made a whole world of difference. Flare jeans plus heels, that's a game changer for anybody who wants her legs to look longer. Flare jeans are ideal if you have the inverted triangle body shape because it can totally balance out your broad shoulders. It also works for the pear body shape to balance out your wider hips and thighs. The wide leg shape. This is another leg shape that at first can look daunting. All the way until last year, I never had any wide leg jeans. I thought the legs are so wide, there's no way they're gonna look good on me because I'm only 5'2". Well, once you figure out how to make them look flattering, this is gonna be the most comfortable jeans that I've ever worn. Any body type can wear wide leg jeans, but if you are the pear-shaped body, the wide leg is the heaven sent for you. Because the jeans does not cling to your thighs like the skinny jeans, it hugs your hips and it drapes down from there. So this can be the most flattering leg shape if you have the pear body. Boot cut is a pretty close cousin to the flare shape. It's somewhere in between a straight leg jeans and flare jeans. When you fold the boot cut jeans, you'll notice it's slightly wider at the end of the hem compared with the knees. That's how they got the name. It's wide enough to accommodate a boot under it. This is another universally flattering for any body type. If you want to elongate your legs, this is ideal. Just like the flare leg shape, this type of leg cut can make your legs look elongated. especially when you wear this with heels. Mom jeans can come in different leg shape. They all have high waist. Some of these have elastic waistband, and that is what makes them ideal if you happen to have a belly, such as an apple body shape. If you have the pear body shape, you're also gonna find mom jeans quite comfortable, more spacious in the thighs and the hips area. The high waist is what makes mom jeans ideal for any women with a longer rise, such as myself. You could be any body shape and have a longer rise. I am a thin apple shape. Thin, yes, but I still have a tummy. Typically, hourglass shape and the pear shape tend to have longer waist. Because the mom jeans are wider in the hips and they are narrow in the legs, this kind of taper leg shape doesn't have the same leg elongating effect compared with the flare jeans or the bootcut jeans. If you have short legs like me, you want to go with mom jeans that fits closer to your body throughout. Boyfriend jeans are known for the relaxed fit. Most of them have slouchy legs, not the most flattering if you happen to have shorter legs like mine. And that is what has made them so difficult for me to find. This is the only pair of boyfriend jeans I have from Topshop. The rest of them were way too baggy for me. Because this has so much more space in the hips and pretty much everywhere, this makes them ideal if you happen to have a bigger bum. But if you have shorter legs like mine, look for the boyfriend jeans fitted more narrow and fits closer to your body. Otherwise, it can look totally overwhelming for someone who is short. Because the skinnies do not camouflage anything, your legs are gonna look exactly how long they are. I'm 5'2" and my legs are not long to begin with. When I wear skinnies with flats like this, you're gonna see this is where the jeans ends, so this is where my leg ends. The way for you to elongate your legs with skinny jeans is to wear the shoes that cover up the hem of the jeans. I love to wear skinny jeans with tall boots. You cannot tell where my jeans ends, therefore you cannot tell how long my legs are. Instead, you're gonna think my legs are as long as my tall boots. Your legs are gonna look longer than they actually are. Here's the thing about the skinny jeans. It cannot be too long. For instance, my ankle length is 25 inches. It's right above my ankle. I can go maybe an inch longer than that, but that's pretty much it. If I go any longer than 26 inches, it's gonna start to bunch up on my shoes, and that is not a flattering look. So you really need skinny jeans that's right at your ankle and not too much longer. The beauty of flare shape or the boot cut, they're wider at the bottom, so they can accommodate the shoes and hide the shoes you wear under them. That makes them the ideal candidate to wear with heels. In fact, if you want to elongate your legs, when you wear this type of jeans, go with a longer inseam and wear high heels. Ideally, you want your jeans to be covering part of your heels. In the front, you're only going to show the tip of your heels, and nobody can tell how high your heels are. They're only going to notice your heels look like an extension of your legs. Everything I've covered today are the classic leg shapes for jeans. You might be wondering, gee, I've seen a lot of barrel jeans. Yes, that's very much on trend, and so is the balloon jeans. Those are the renovated leg shape for the jeans. I didn't cover them today because I don't have anything to show you. Even though they are extremely popular, it's almost impossible to miss them. For any retailer you go to, you're probably gonna see some of them. But I honestly do not think they look flattering. I do have another video on these trendy leg shapes for the jeans, especially for this fall and winter season. Watch this video. What are the least flattering jeans shape if you have short legs like me?